Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinese Pinyin. That's exactly how you guys call me when I study in the States. Today, I'm excited to share with you all how to pronounce each and every syllable in Mandarin Chinese, which we call 普通话. I have spent a considerable amount of time preparing for this, checking and rechecking the chart I have prepared over 30 times to ensure its accuracy. Some syllable even appears only once in entire Chinese language, but I have made sure to include them in this guide to provide you with the most comprehensive learning experience possible. In this series, emphasis will be placed on ensuring that each and every Chinese syllable is covered, giving you a comprehensive understanding of Mandarin pronunciation. I've been using hand gesture to denote the four tones of Mandarin. I'm aware that some of these gestures may have different connotation in various cultures, but I want to emphasize that it is not my intention to offend anyone. The aim here is purely educational, and I hope it aids in your learning process. For your convenience, all syllables will be organized alphabetically. Each episode in this series will run for approximately 8 minutes. This structure makes it easier for you to pinpoint the specific pronunciation you are seeking. As I vocalize this pronunciation, an Excel sheet will be displayed on screen, showcasing the exact pronunciation being covered at that moment. This format enables you to effortlessly scrub through the YouTube timeline to locate the pronunciation you need. Simply follow in alphabetic order, and I will lead you through the proper vocalization. So, without further ado, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Let's get started.